what I have to say to the new dreamers of starting something in nuclear medicine industry is just strolling around, going to congresses like this.
I haven't been in this conference in 10 years, and coming back, I feel like I'm meeting the same people that I used to work with 10 years ago. So build those strong relationships and it will last your lifetime.
Stay curious and say yes when opportunities come your way, and you will find that you will carve your path as long as you stay curious, stay involved, and really explore your passions.
Meet other technologists who are in the field that you can learn and grow from. So definitely volunteering with other societies is a great way to get your foot in the door with experience, and also learn from other techs that have been there.
Just go and learn everything. Push through, conquer, and just work with your doctors, with your pharmacy personnel, also your physicists. So it's a very broadened aspect, and you can learn a lot from every part of nuclear medicine.
Oh, this is a good question.